Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Turn right onto Piney Grove Road.
About to open up, man.
It's open. I did Jacksonville, Florida. We did the UFC a couple weeks ago. Holy wow.
They must have been
15,000 people.
You get the f out of here. Go, move. I'm 7629. I have a camera.
It's people exercising their road rage in their cars, expecting to get away with it every time, that are the real menace on these roads. You should just drive sensibly.
Yeah, this was an assault. You're gonna hear from the police.
Start trying to find out whose car they hit.
Right.
And, dude.
Watch it.
Are you fucking kidding me? What the f***? That's you too! Damn, that's crazy. She flipped me off!
That bitch was really gonna hit you too.
She really was!
That's next. Call this.
Oh my God, watch out. Oh my God, that person's f***ing dead. Oh my God.
But on the new album, Dashcam, the Black Keys are, as the song says, going down south. Here's their version of the R.L. Burnside classic. Go. Do something. Are you f***ing kidding me? What the f*** are you doing? What's your f***ing issue, buddy? F*** you.
you! Are you joking me? What the Oh yeah, me? Me? You're the f***ing idiot. Bring it! Bring it! Come on! Come on! Are you kidding me? Joking, buddy? No. You can wait until I go up and back down, but you can't close your door now unless you want to damage my car. You didn't see me there? It just doesn't matter. You don't leave your door open. It's not anybody's parking spot. Oh my god, dude. That's not the point of it. It's part of your parking spot. The point... Why wouldn't you close in the first place? Are you that ignorant? That's the problem. That's what, do you know what ignorant means? Because that's what ignorant means, to be honest. What an idiot. Double lane turn much? That's illegal, you know.
Chickens? Yeah, people brought chickens.
Like real chickens or
yeah,
like
real chickens.
Like what do you That did not just happen. I'm getting out.
Patty, no, stay in the car. Stay in the car now.
I'm gonna see if she's okay. Are you okay? Are you okay?